Hi, welcome back in lesson 1 Learn Urdu with Grammar. In this lesson I am going to teach you the two basic verbs go and come, how to use these verbs in phrases, and I am also going to give you homework. You can download your homework in comment section. Just go to comments and on the top of the comments you will find that link. And secondly, if you are new to our channel, subscribe us now to continue your Urdu learning. Let's have a start. We will talk about the two verbs go and come in present indefinite tense. First, to go is jana, jana. All verbs come with to called infinitive verb. So to go, jana is infinitive verb. We need the root of the verb to use this verb in any sentence. To get root of the verb, we cut to, which is na, and in here na, and it will become ja. So go is ja. Let's see another verb which is come. To come is infinitive verb ana. To get root of the verb, we will cut to, which is na, and it will become a. Come is a and go is ja. Like in here ja. So we always need root of the verb to use these verbs in any sentence. Let's see how we can use these verbs. First we will talk about go in present indefinite tense. In here we have an example. She goes, वो जाती है. Note, ja is go, but we added something different in here like t and I, or like in here the. So today I will teach you what is the and how we can use the verb go and come in present indefinite tense. Very first, in present indefinite tense we add ta, te, ti, or like in English ta, te, ti in the root of the verb. First I will teach you how to add, then I will teach you what is the difference between ta, te and ti. Number 1. The verb go is ja and we added ta. From here it become jata, jata or jata. If we add te in the root of the verb, ja plus te, it's become jate, jate. And if we add ti, ja plus ti, it's become jati. We added ta, te and ti in the root of the verb which is ja, and it's become jata, jate and jati. So now I will teach you what is the difference between ta, te and ti. We use ta from here for singular plus masculine. Singular plus masculine. For example, here we have he goes. He is masculine and also singular. So वो जाता है. Verb plus ta. In the root of the verb we added ta for singular plus masculine, and it's become ta. He goes, वो जाता है. Another example, I go to school. I am a singular and suppose I am a masculine, then I will say मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Verb plus ta. So जाता, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, और in Arabic script we say मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Let's see how to use te. From here we use te for plural plus masculine. In here you need to focus on the point masculine. We use they for plural but only for masculine, not for feminine. They goes. Let's suppose they are masculine. So they goes, they is also plural. वो जाते हैं. जा plus ते, वो जाते हैं. Another example, they go to school. They is masculine and also plural. वो स्कूल जाते हैं. Right? जा and ते, वो स्कूल जाते हैं. Let's see the use of the. We use the for feminine. You need to only learn one point, that we use the for feminine no matter the noun is singular or plural. Means we use the for both singular and plural, but if the noun is feminine. For example, she goes. वो verb go is ja, added the, it's become जाती. वो जाती है. Another example, I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. I is feminine, therefore I say jati. Let's suppose if in here I is masculine, then how you will say? मैं स्कूल जा. Yes, we will add ta for masculine. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. But if you are feminine, you will say मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. Let's suppose another example. I go to bank. मैं बैंक जाती हूँ. जाती हूँ for feminine, and if masculine I will say मैं बैंक जाता हूँ. Let's see examples for all. Boy go to market. लड़का बाजार जाता है. Now I will also teach you the structure of the sentence. Boy is masculine and singular, therefore we added ta in the root of the verb. Number 2, boy is subject, right? Go is verb and market is object. In English language, we format a sentence subject, verb and object, but in Urdu language we make subject, object and verb. In Urdu language, verb always come at the end, like jata hai. It is verb go and hai is, which is a helping verb. So boy market go to. लड़का बाजार जाता है. How if I say girl go to market? लड़की बाजार जाती है. T for feminine. Let's see some other example. Boys go to market. Now in here boys are plural but masculine, right? Plural plus masculine, we add they. Boys go to market. लड़के बाजार जाते हैं. Sorry, that's my mistake. हैं, not है. हैं is are. Boys go to market. लड़के बाजार जाते हैं. Another example, this is girls go to market. Now in here girls is feminine but plural, but we still use the, we not use they. You need to remember that they use for plural but only for masculine, not for feminine. For feminine we have only one term, the, in present indefinite tense. Girls go to market. लड़कियां बाजार जाती हैं. You can add any other noun. Girls go to school. लड़कियां स्कूल जाती हैं. I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Feminine, मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, right? And some another example, I go to bank. Now in here I is feminine. If I am a girl, I will say मैं बैंक जाती हूँ. See once again, subject come here, and then object is bank come here, and then go to is verb, and the last subject, object, verb. I go to bank. मैं बैंक जाती हूँ. I go to hospital. मैं हॉस्पिटल जाती हूँ. And if masculine, then we will say मैं बैंक जाता हूँ. Another example, we go to bank. हम बैंक जाते हैं. We is plural and masculine. So we go to bank, हम बैंक जाते हैं. If we is plural but feminine, then we will say हम बैंक जाती, like in here जाती, or in Arabic script like this हम बैंक जाती हैं. And in the last we have verb to come. To come is ana, which is infinitive verb, cut to, which is na, and it will become a. Come is a. She comes, वो आती है. I come, मैं आता हूँ. I will not teach you this verb in this lesson because I have exercise for you. Go to the comments section and you will find a link in the top of the comments, and you can download this worksheet and make exercise yourself. And if you have any issue, you can ask me in comments, or you can also submit me your homework in the comment section. And in the last, like I always say, subscribe, and subscribe. Sure, if you need to learn Urdu language, subscribe us for our next lesson. Thanks for learning with us. Please subscribe us in here to continue your Urdu learning. If you want to learn professionally or quickly, you can join our Skype classes. How to join Skype classes, you can ask in comments, or you can WhatsApp us. Actually, I offer Skype classes at iTalki or Preplay or some other platform, or you can book personally yourself also, no problem. For this you can write me in comments, or you can WhatsApp us. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.